Have you ever been hurt so deeply that you wanted people to feel the same pain? Stoicism teaches us something far more powerful. Not revenge, but silent strength. Because the truth is, the most powerful response is not loud, emotional, or dramatic. It's calm, controlled, and unshakable. Here are 7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you without you saying a single word. 1. You stop explaining yourself. When someone hurts you, your first instinct is to explain, defend, or prove your worth. But Stoics understand this. Those who misunderstand you intentionally will never be convinced by your words. So instead, you choose silence. And that silence speaks louder than any argument ever could. 2. Withdraw your energy. Energy is your most valuable asset. When you stop giving attention, time, and emotional investment to those who hurt you, they begin to feel your absence. Not because you punished them, but because you chose yourself. 3. You stay calm, no matter what. Nothing confuses people more than your calmness when they expect a reaction. Stoicism teaches control over emotions. When you remain composed, you show them they no longer have power over you, and that realization hits deeper than anger ever could. 4. You focus on self-improvement. Instead of dwelling on pain, you redirect your focus inward. You grow stronger, wiser, and more disciplined. And over time, your progress becomes a silent message. You didn't break me. You built me. 5. You set clear boundaries. Without drama, without long speeches, you simply stop tolerating disrespect. You limit access. You protect your peace. And people begin to understand that crossing you has consequences, even if you never say it out loud. 6. You let go without closure. Not everyone deserves an explanation. Not every ending needs a conversation. Stoics accept that closure comes from within. When you walk away peacefully, you leave people questioning, and that silence often makes them reflect on their actions. 7. You keep moving forward. The ultimate silent response is progress. While others stay stuck in guilt or confusion, you keep going. You build your life, your goals, your peace. And one day they look back, not at someone broken, but at someone who outgrew them. Conclusion. In a world that encourages loud reactions and instant revenge, silence is rare and powerful. Stoicism reminds us that true strength is not in proving others wrong, but in mastering yourself. So next time someone hurts you, don't react. Don't chase. Don't explain. Just become better quietly. Because nothing makes people regret hurting you more than realizing they lost someone who no longer needs them.